In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror assembly on your Kia Optima, located on either side of the vehicle. Let's get started. Here we have the new mirror assembly. Out of the box, it comes with the cap off. This is if you want to paint match it to your vehicle. You want to pay attention to the clips that are located on the inside. You want to go ahead and line those up. Being very careful not to break anything. Once you have it lined up, push it in. Making sure that it's fully seated all around, we can now move on to the vehicle. Moving to the vehicle, we're gonna go ahead and remove this cap using a small plastic trim tool. Go ahead and take it off. You're gonna start by pulling on the edges. Move your way around and slide it out. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and unplug the connector. You wanna put some pressure on the tab and pull it out. Move the connector out of the way to give us room. And now we can remove the three 10mm nuts. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and take these nuts off. Now that you have the nuts off, you're gonna find this little clip right here. You're gonna go ahead and grab onto the mirror, and you're gonna squeeze these to slide the mirror out. And here's the old one. Here with the new mirror assembly, we're gonna go ahead and remove these three covers that are there just to protect the studs. So go ahead and take those out. And we're gonna remove the three nuts that come pre-installed on the mirror. Go ahead and take those out too. And now we can go ahead and install it on the vehicle. Now we can go ahead and install it, line it up with the holes, and push it in. While holding it, go ahead and start at least one of the nuts. Now you can let it go and install the other two. We're gonna go ahead and get those three nuts snug. Make sure that you do not over tighten those because they will snap. Now we can go ahead and plug in our connector, line it up and push it in. Lastly, we can install our cover. We're gonna go ahead and line it up from the bottom and push into place. Now you wanna go ahead and test the functionality, and that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.